Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning my mass airflow sensor on my 2006 Toyota Corolla. And I'm going to be using this cleaner here. It's made by this company, CRC, Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner. And there are a bunch of instructions and warnings on the back, so make sure to read through all of that. And one of the instructions starts off by saying, do not use on vehicles with a Karman Vortex airflow sensor. But I called my local Toyota dealership and talked to them, and they told me that the mass airflow sensor I have on my car would be okay to clean with this cleaner. So you do not want to use this on a Karman Vortex airflow sensor, and those can be on different makes of vehicles. And if you don't know for sure, you can call the technical information number listed on the bottom of the can. And I wanted to try this because my car was idling high and roughly, and so this is one of the things that I wanted to try. And before you do this, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. Okay, so I'm going to take out the mass airflow sensor on my 2006 Toyota Corolla, and I do have a video where I show how to do this step by step, and I'll link that video at the end of this one, and if you're interested and have time, please check that video out. Alright guys, so I have the mass airflow sensor out, and you want to be really careful with it so you don't hurt it, and I'm just going to be cleaning right in here. That's the only place that I'm going to be cleaning. And I have this on some towels and then a piece of cardboard underneath just so it doesn't soak through to the concrete. And I have all my safety equipment on. I have on a pair of nitrile gloves, safety goggles, a good quality mask, and I'm doing this in a well-ventilated area. Okay, so I got both sides, and you want to be careful not to touch the straw to that piece that I was cleaning. Now I'm just going to let it dry all the way. And you need to wait till this is 100% dry before you reinstall it. This one is 100% dry now, so I'm going to reinstall it. And look how much cleaner that is. And you want to be really careful not to touch this part right here. Alright guys, I got the mass airflow sensor reinstalled, so I'm going to drive the car around for a few days, and I'll be back to let you know how it goes. Alright guys, so we're on Monday, and I used this on last Thursday. So I drove the car on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and this morning, and the car has worked great. I've had no issues with the idling. So what it was doing before is we'd just be out driving around and we'd be stopped at a stoplight or something, and all of a sudden the car would just start idling, like jump up to around 2,000 RPMs or so. So in my case, for this car, this CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner did the trick and was able to, clean the mass airflow sensor, and now my car is back to idling at normal. And what's normal on my car is when it's fully warmed up, it will idle right around 800 RPMs, and when I turn on the air conditioner, it will go up a little bit. Alright guys, well that was it for this video, and I hope it's been helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.